A400M Atlas. So the 380 touching down. And look at that performance of the A400, equally startling performance. This is the military airlifter from Airbus. When they were doing the testing, the call sign was Grizzly, not his official name, it's the Atlas. The program originated from the European Future Large Aircraft requirement way back in 1992, supported by the nations of Belgium, France, Germany, Italy, Portugal, Spain and Turkey. It's a rugged, agile aircraft. Also, fans of the Mission Impossible film series